If you are holding XRP, you need to get ready right now. We are now entering into the fourth quarter, which is the most bullish month for XRP and cryptos historically. Also, November is very bullish in some months, in some cases, even a little bit more bullish. During the fourth quarter, this is when funds, hedge funds, institutions, retail investors are loading up because of the way monetary cycles work. Stocks and cryptos, they always pump up during these times. 9 out of 10 times they will pump up. So 90% of the time, they're gonna go absolutely crazy. We are entering into this time period literally right now as you are watching this video, and just watch. You're going to start to see cryptos go absolutely crazy. We are in the final stages of the bull market, which in my expert opinion, I believe that cryptos are gonna top out, at least Bitcoin, within the next month or two. And that will be your time to sell, which I believe we're gonna be entering into a bear market for about 1 year. Cryptos do this every 4 years based on the halving events. If you guys love XRP, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. It's gonna be absolutely insane. XRP holds above $2.90 as ETF decisions loom. 7 XRP spot ETF applications are pending before the SEC. Grayscale submission is scheduled for October 18th. Guys, do you understand what is taking place here? The market is entering into a bullish time period, and we have these ETFs for XRP and altcoins. They are going to be approved. The SEC is coming out back and forth the last several weeks saying we are going to approve everything. We are removing all blocks that prevent ETFs and any type of growth in cryptocurrency. This is extremely bullish. So once this bull market starts to kick off again, you have these ETFs go live. These type of fundamental events can catapult XRP to beyond my price target at $5 to $7, maybe 12 or 15. Let me know your price target for XRP in the comments below. Now make sure you guys join my private community. I make 6 to 7 figures every month trading cryptocurrencies. And this is my P&L in the last 30 days on just a small little $50,000 account. I'm up $110,000 on just this account alone. If you guys want to follow my trades where I'm making these results, join the VIP tier in my community below, which you guys can try today for free. And if you guys want to be trading like me, shorting and longing cryptos up to 150x leverage, go ahead and use Blofin, the platform. It's going to be linked in my video description. We're gonna have the cheapest fees on the internet. You guys really wanna be trading over here. They're giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus as well. So let's go ahead and now dive into the charts. What we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is cryptos pulled back last week and they have bounced up and are holding very, very strong today. Cryptos dipped, but they ended up pumping back up and recovering from today's dip, which was very interesting. We take a look at the stock market is continually pushing up higher, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the dollar is heading lower. These are things that when you see them, shouts from me that they are very, very bullish for cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, what we can see here is if we zoom out, Bitcoin has corrected here, and we have also corrected here, but notice we are forming right here a higher low, and structurally this is very, very bullish. This is a possible double bottom bullish reversal pattern, which I think is, as long as we continue to hold above 114,000, we are going to see all-time highs very, very soon, and it's gonna come very quickly. Bitcoin going to all-time highs can take a day or two. And when this starts taking place, altcoins are going to be going absolutely crazy. Typically, the way altcoins work and the way they start pumping is Bitcoin starts pumping very, very hard out of nowhere, where altcoins will underperform. And then after Bitcoin stops pumping and starts to consolidate, people get bored, they sell and take profits of Bitcoin, and they rotate into altcoins like XRP. So far, XRP is still breaking out. And if you watched my video yesterday, I gave you guys my exact targets of where I think we are headed to next. We should see $3 soon and then $3.20. These are the next levels. In my opinion, this is a rock bottom support for XRP. I do not think XRP is going to lose this support. I'm very confident it is going to hold it. As long as Bitcoin continues to push up higher, I'm confident that XRP has potentially bottomed or we are near the bottom, but that this is the area where you want to be buying. Me and my community, we bought the crash in XRP last week and the past couple of weeks, we've been accumulating in this region, and I'm confident we are going to see $4, $5 to even $7 very, very soon when things get really, really crazy, which I think is going to be taking place. If you just look at a bunch of other altcoin structures, you can see that altcoins have crashed massively and they are forming inverse head and shoulders patterns. We are seeing altcoins at massive support like Fartcoin. This is a coin that I personally trade. This coin has gone down massively, but look, it's holding this key level massively in a very strong way. And if you zoom out, you can see we're at macro supports for a lot of these altcoins. So it's very, very likely that altcoins are going to start bouncing very, very soon. And you definitely, in my opinion, not financial advice, want to have some allocations into altcoins before we head into the fourth quarter, which is going to be by the time you watch this video. Make sure you guys also try my AlgoSniper trading indicator. You guys can try this today for free. It will tell you when to buy, and so you get a huge sell alert right before every massive crash. Use a 1 hour time frame. It is a great time frame to trade on, but ultimately you guys can try it today for free. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.